Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to delete contacts in GetResponse quickly and easily. First, log into your GetResponse account. From the dashboard, click on Contacts. You'll now see all of your subscribers. Use the search bar or filters if you want to find a specific contact. To delete a single contact, check the box next to their name. If you want to delete multiple contacts, simply select all the contacts you want to remove. Now click the Actions button. From the drop-down menu, select Delete. GetResponse will ask you to confirm your decision. Review the selection carefully because deleting contacts may be permanent depending on your account settings. Click Confirm to continue. The selected contacts will now be removed from your account. Deleting inactive or unwanted contacts can help keep your email list clean and improve your email marketing performance. That's it. You've successfully deleted contacts in GetResponse. As a special bonus, anyone who joins through my link will receive my free guide, Wrapped Gift, 100 High-Converting Email Subject Lines for Affiliate Marketing. These proven subject lines can help increase email open rates, get more clicks, and potentially generate more affiliate commissions. You'll find all the details in the description below. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the channel for more quick GetResponse tutorials.